guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, showing your girl some love. But today guys, I am doing the 6 lobster tail by SHAI snacks 2-time spicy sauce. And I'm not gonna make this video so long. Y'all like my little face? Let me stop. What she did was took the 2-time spicy sauce, drenched the lobster tails, sucked it off, dip it, and then ate it. So that's what we doing today, guys. Bear with me, cause y'all know this demon sauce is hot. I have a little taste left up in here, but I don't know if it's gonna be enough. So I'm gonna open my new bottle. Y'all, I've been sick lately. I've been having this pain in my lower back. I went to the doctor yesterday. They gave me a good old shot. Cause that pain wasn't no joke, y'all. So I'm feeling much better today. So I decided to get up and do this challenge. I know I'm late, so hey, don't come for me. She did it in March, so I'm just not doing it now because I couldn't find the lobster tails. So I finally found the lobster tails. And now I'm gonna do this video. So before we do this video, we're gonna say these grace. We're gonna set the timer, and then we're gonna get started. So, ooh, why I lick this stuff, y'all? And I got me some water sitting over here on the side. So, Lord bless this food we're about to eat. Bless the person who prepared this meal. Bless the ones about to eat this meal. In God's name we pray. Amen, amen, amen. So, okay, y'all, let's set the timer. I don't even know her password. Let your password. Never mind, I got it. I was talking to Lex. So we're gonna drench these before. I got it, never mind. Hush up, you supposed to be up anyway. So now we drenching the last time I did the sauce, some people saying, you didn't even do it right. You didn't even put the sauce on there right. So this time I'm drenching it in sauce. I hope. Ooh, y'all, this stuff is hot. I can smell it already, and then it's a new bottle, so it's fresh open. Excuse me, y'all. My bad. Okay, now we're gonna get started. The time is right here, set for 5 minutes. Start. Ooh, hope I don't get none on my clothes. Then they get cold too quick, y'all. Did I let them cook long enough? Yeah, this is the one I ain't get all this stuff off of. So I'm finna get that off. So that's probably what that is. All that time roll. Y'all, this fat on this one or something. I ain't cheating. It's fat on. Hot. And then it's this 2-time spicy sauce be little sauce, y'all. Y'all don't look like I'm gonna make this. It's already 2 minutes. Trying to make sure I chew it good too. So they pretty thick. Y'all leave a comment, let me know if y'all think I'm gonna finish. I don't think so. This is hot. Oh, and I already got some on my clothes. Y'all, I'm quitting already. Nope. I ain't gonna even try it though. I'm gonna have to redo this challenge. My mouth on fire. I was not ready. Time up. Time up. Yeah, the freaking lobster tail is too. I don't know if it's too thick or what. And then they freaking hot. I put too much sauce on there today. Yeah, look at my shirt. Y'all, I'm just gonna I'm gonna attempt to do this challenge again because I know I can beat it, but that freaking sauce is hot. I did eat 2.5. I ain't even make it to see. Sorry. And it's spicy. It's so spicy too, y'all. That was too much spice. Okay. I'm done. I tried. I didn't beat the challenge. But I did try. So, with that being said, leave y'all comment. Don't come for me too hard in these comments. At least I tried it. Leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn that post notification bell on, So you won't miss my next video. And I'm out. Sorry, y'all. I just spit all over y'all. Peace. Love you guys.